Hello, fellow traders. It's Monday. We did good today. When they tried to bring the Dow down to 8,000, didn't even hit 8,000. Only got down to like 8,020. Beautiful day. Showing we got strength and there's no sellers down there coming in. We're getting close to 8,000. We're starting to shake out these weak hands. If you also notice today, we did have an upper wick, but it was on lower volume. You know, we tried to break out this morning. We did. I was kind of amped, and then it pulled back. I was happy it didn't go below 8,000. It was on light volume, on the pullback, and I'm going to get to it later. But I added to Schwab because Schwab pulled back on light volume today too. Also, if you noticed, we closed above yesterday's open. I don't know if you can read candles, but our body was a little bigger than Friday's body, and we closed above it. That's another bullish sign for our breakout we're looking for. Remember, we're not talking, bear market over, breakout, bull market. We're just reading this and we're trading. I've hit the last four ramps I've hit, and I feel we got another ramp. Today's chart looked really good too, which I want to share with you real quick. So I'm going to grab this camera and I'm going to bring it over here, you guys, and just check this out. This is the day chart for the Dow today, right here. And if you notice this morning where we made this high right here, and they started to sell us off, and we came up and attempted to come up but didn't hit it, and then we sold off again. When I drew that trend line coming down there, I knew as the Dow was coming right here and broke down, okay, we're in a good downtrend now. As you can see, it broke way down. But as it came up today, see right here where it broke through this downtrend and we came and peaked up? Well, look on the pullback. This is a good sign. It didn't go below our first downtrend line, or like our second downtrend line. When we broke the downtrend, we came back and bounced off of that. I'm going to bring this in closer. So see right there, everybody's watching this. This is a technical market. You can see, I'm not the only one seeing this. And it bounced off right there, and we came up, and see how it was towards like the end of the day, but see how now we were battling our initial trend line right here. There it is. That's the initial one. Now we're back up to it. That means if we didn't have the big dip, this is where the Dow would have trended all day, right there. But we had this big sell-off right here. So now we're up here. It was the end of the day. We came up, and look what they did to us. Right there. Look at that. They closed us right on the nut. That's incredible. Tomorrow should be a good day. I think we're going to break to the upside first thing in the morning. And if we break to the upside off of that, we go through 8,200, we're probably going to charge to 8,500. Hopefully the market takes this Geithner news good. We might go sideways till Wednesday for this announcement for the vote on Obama's stimulus plan. I was telling you, Schwab, I know I wasn't going to buy any till 7,500, but this morning when the market was up big and peaking and Palm wasn't doing much, the puts I'm buying, the $5 puts, they were down to 10 cents and 15 cents. I put an order in for 10 cents and picked some more puts up. Yeah, they are the February puts, but you know what? It's all right. The company was going bankrupt last year. They still are. They just got a cash infusion before they released this new product. That's what's keeping them up. I've traded these stocks before, and yeah, they get pumped up when people put cash into them like anything. This is just a floater. They're floating it. They're pumping it on TV. you know, they're like trying to float it, even make it like Palm's the newest and greatest thing. I mean, I don't know. I've never used a Palm. I would never buy a Palm. As far as Schwab, I did pick up a little bit. I mentioned under 14. I know I wasn't going to pick up on it until 7,500. I just added a little more to my position only because it was under my average. You know, I like it. You know, I don't want to pick up any till 13. I hope it goes to 7,500 and I can scoop more at 13. But I added to my position under 14. I'm still holding it right over 14 average on Schwab. And their pullback today was on low volume. They've been trading 20 plus million shares on these up days, on these reversal days, and today they barely traded their 13 million. So I'm really happy with that. And tomorrow's kind of a key day. Like, if we get up technically above these levels that I just showed you, above this line, the nut I called it, that we closed on today, and even above 8,200 tomorrow, it could set us up for a good springboard rally. Because remember, we haven't had any big major up day, down days. Also, if you look at the Dow chart, it looks like a really nice smooth cup forming right now. Not like jagged like the 2 to 3 months prior. If you look at the last, you know, where we came down from the 9,200, it looks like we're forming the base of a cup to where that could roam up back to 9,200 before the breakout, and then do a handle and then break out. So either way, we're showing some upside here, more likely than the downside. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's start green. Let's finish green. Let's finish above 8,200. And let's get Schwab up above 15. I was really, you know, I'm not joking. I was going to dump a little bit at 15 today, and I didn't. Only because I'm looking for at least the 50-day moving average on this one, which is 16. And then I'll shed a little. So tomorrow, we want to break out. We want to get above 8,200. And we want Schwab at least above that 1483 tomorrow. And good luck.